This charming 3-bedroom, 1-bath rambler is an available gem in King George County. The property sits on almost a half-acre lot, providing ample space for outdoor activities and gardening enthusiasts. This home has been well maintained and is in good condition, ensuring comfortable living. One of the highlights of this property is the lovely screened-in porch, offering the perfect spot to enjoy the serene surroundings and fresh air throughout the year. Additionally, this property comes with a 1-car detached garage, providing convenient parking and extra storage space for your belongings. When bad weather threatens the power to the home, it has been connected to a generator that conveys with the sale to ensure reliable electricity if power goes out. Overall, this home checks all the boxes for those seeking a well-maintained and inviting property that is